Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video of showing you how I do double cleansing and some benefits of it. As you can see, I'm playing around. I'm actually using Drunk Elephant Cleansing Balm. And let me confess, I've been recently introduced to this stuff and I'm loving it. And will definitely try other brands too. I never knew double cleansing is a thing until recently. I know, little late. But hey, with a newborn, I guess it's alright to be late. So basically, what it does is it melts away the makeup, yes, even waterproof, and sunscreen, as well as cleanse skin from dirt. So here I'm massaging cleanser on my dry skin, and then I'm going to wet my hands with water and massage. As you can see, a creamy texture has formed. I'll then wash it off with water and then follow up with cleanser of your choice, particularly of your skin type. I am using CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for my dry skin. If you have acne-prone skin, don't worry, still do the double cleansing. It will clean your skin from bacterial buildup, help heal the skin better when it's clean. Your skincare products will work better and you will thank me later. Once done with cleansing balm, I'm going to do second cleanser with CeraVe cleanser. Now this is my favorite cleanser so far. It's not sponsored by the way. This cleanser doesn't lather. It feels so gentle on my skin and I feel like I'm massaging cream on my face. Now once done, I wash it off properly with water and I follow my nighttime skincare routine after this. Hope this helps. Follow for more. Bye bye.